Hi, my name is Abhilash and today I will show you how to print the Fibonacci series in the Excel sheet. Manually, you can input like this. For the first sequence, let's say I want to have the serial number or sequence number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and let's say lastly 10. And for the Fibonacci sequence, let's say Fibonacci sequence, okay, you can also extend this with a B column like this. Okay, I will make you understand what I'm doing. So let's say the Fibonacci sequence is starting with this 0, 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now notice here, Fibonacci sequence is a sequence which is the sum of the previous two sequences. For example, in this case, we have 1 plus 0, which becomes 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. 5 plus 8, 13, and so on. Also, you may modify this sequence like this. Let's say I want to have it in center to look good, and also you can take these two cells and make it larger and also make it bold, okay, so that it can be marked. Or you may change the cell format like this and make it white in this way, and this is sequence. Let's say you can also do it from here. Now I will show you how to print this Fibonacci series automatically. First, the serial number. Go in the first place of the serial number, place 1. It is a base condition. And in the second cell, write equal to E and 2. Because why I'm writing E2? Because E2 is the previous cell that I'm referring to. And you can plus 1. When I press enter, it will give me 2, and this cell is representing E2 plus 1. E2 is the row number, column number referring to the cell E2. E2 plus 1 gives me 2, means 1 plus 1 gives me 2, and I go to the corner of the cell and drag it up till I want it, and it will give me all the iterations according to the E2 I have already placed here. Means that E2 will be incremented to E3, E3 will be incremented to E4, and so on. And for the Fibonacci sequence, we need to give two base conditions, which is first thing is 0 and the second one is 1. And for the next cell, we need to go to the next cell and write here equal to F3 plus F2. This will take two cells and add them all, gives me 1. And if I drag this cell up till I want, it will show me all the Fibonacci numbers like this, and you can edit the table as you want. So our goal has been achieved, and for the sake of practice, let's do the total for serial number and Fibonacci sequence. Let's say I'm writing here, and let's say I want to add these two cells and place them here for every row. And what I have to do is press equal to and the cell number, which is F2, which is this one, plus E2, which is this one. Press enter, and this will do the sum for these two cells. Now if I drag the cell from the right hand boundary up till I want, okay, it will give me sum for every row having these two columns to be added and placed here. Now I hope you have understood how this Excel sheet is working. It is just incrementing the column number. Let's say this is F2 plus E2, but in this one it is F3, E3. It is just incrementing the value. Okay. Also may use like this. You can select all of them and you can right click on it, and also you can border them all the borders should be placed like this. You can group some cells into one category like this. You can view data. Yes, here it is. You can group these cells into rows or columns. You can group into rows. Click OK, and in this case we have grouped here like this. You can also click this plus button to open and close like a Dropbox. Okay, you can click the plus to expand, and you can click the minus to shrink, or you may remove it by the help of the ungroup. So you can click, or you can select all the rows and click here ungroup the rows. Okay, so you can have undo the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon so that you can be notified every time for such videos. Thank you.